Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is almost Passover, literally just a few hours, guys. I'm so excited. I got an early start. You guys know when it comes to grocery shopping, I don't play. I like to get an early start. There's barely anybody here. I love this for me because I am not a people person. So I'm gonna get some grocery shopping done. I've been meal planning as well, so I'm hoping to find everything on my list, and I think I will. You already know I got the wagon in the background and my little bags in the back because who's paying for bags? I'm not gonna lie, this year I was thinking about like experimenting with different Passover bread recipes because I make like the same bread all the time, and I know I definitely need to switch it up, but I'd be so afraid because I'm like, what if it doesn't come out good? And like, what if I waste my ingredients? Like, I don't want it to be a fail. But I don't know, I'm gonna come out my shell. I'm gonna try it one day. All right, y'all, look at my cart. I got pretty much everything I was looking for. Couldn't really vlog everything because I had to use my phone, but we got a full cart. So I'm back home, about to unload all these groceries, y'all. I had a budget for myself and I was happy that I was able to meet that budget because the store employee gave me her a discount, and I was so happy. I'm like, girl, thank you, I needed that. I shop at Stop and Shop so much you would think I would just make my own membership. I still use my mom's, but sometimes it doesn't always go through for me. I don't know why, but I was low-key thinking of making a Costco membership because Costco has a lot of great deals. Not only do they have like what I feel is a more variety of options, but you get everything in bulk, so you're really saving money at the end of the day because you're getting everything at a good deal in larger amounts. So I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. We'll see. So as of last week, for the past 2 weeks, I've been like incorporating more cabbage and like iceberg salads mixed together. But this week I wanted to change it up and start having more kale salads. You know, just want to try new things for my body. So I got me some kale greens, rich in vitamins A and C. Definitely happy about that. But I forgot to get like some roughage, so like bell pepper, cucumber. I think I was just in a rush to get everything off my checklist. I forgot the basics of a salad, but it's okay, I'll make it work. What are some things that you guys plan on making for like Passover? Like, I wanted to make some empanadas, but I forgot to take the discs out the freezer, and I'm not sure if it's going to defrost in time. I was thinking about making regular salmon next week, so maybe I'll just save it until then, but I don't know. I got my evaporated milk and my condensed milk so I can start making this unleavened bread. I'm gonna make some for the body, and I also have to make some for my Lord's house too because we love bread. No, okay, so I did not get any ingredients to make a new flavor. I know I want to, but I don't know, I don't know. I'd be a little nervous, you know? I just want it to come out right, and I know the only way for me to like really get it right is if I do it myself, but like, what if it doesn't come right? Like, everybody knows ovens are so tricky. Like, there are some sisters who make their bread in like an hour and 10 or an hour 20 minutes tops. My oven cooks really fast, so my bread bakes for like 50 minutes and then like it's golden. Like, I need to take it out or else it's gonna burn. So it's like some certain recipes, if they have a lot of wet ingredients, that can change everything. Sometimes I might need to adjust it. It's just a lot of trial and error, and I'm not ready for it. I don't know. I'll ask a sister, hey, can you make this bread for me? Like, one of the breads we have now for Passover, I asked one of my good sisters to make for me because I love it. It's one of my favorite breads, and she did. I'm so happy. But I don't know. Also, y'all, I found these crackers as well at Stop and Shop today. You know, last time I put you guys on to the Manischewitz, but these have no leaven in it and they have garlic. They have different flavors as well, so I thought this would be nice to try with maybe some cheese or some tuna or something. And of course, you guys know we have our milk chocolate and white chocolate matzo crackers as well. I'm not gonna lie, I actually like these together because I'm very much a sweet and salty type of girly, as you guys know. All right, guys, so I'm making my unleavened bread right now. These are for the body. I was gonna make an extra one for my Lord's house, but since we already have one made, I figured I'd just make another one probably towards the end, like when I notice it starts to run out more. This is my pan, and I'm just spreading it out right now just so it's nice and even. If you want a tutorial on this, I did make this exact bread. It's my caramel white chocolate chip unleavened bread, and I have that in one of my recent vlogs. I think it was which feast day was it? I think it was Hanukkah. I think so. where I had made this bread and did a step-by-step tutorial for y'all. So definitely check that out if you like this recipe. It tastes so good. Only thing different I might do this time is probably like adding a glaze to it. Usually I add the glaze on top like before it goes in the oven, but since it's like Passover, I wanted to like make it a little bit more pretty, you know? So once it has a chance to cool down, I might do that. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna add the little caramel drizzle to it. And that's how it looks before it goes in the oven. So yummy. This is one that I was already working on. I'm about to take it out right now because it looks nice and golden. Look at my face right now, guys. I'm literally shining. One thing about me, when I get really hot, my face just tends to glisten. It's annoying sometimes. I mean, I like the little glow, but it is annoying sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. And now I have to clean up, y'all. Look at this kitchen. It is a mess. I got flour everywhere, y'all. One thing about me, I can be such a messy cook. Like, I'm trying to implement cleaning as I go, but oftentimes I get so tunnel vision, I just want to focus on what I'm doing, and then it's the chaos, of course, after I'm done. So I'm gonna get it together one day with the cooking and cleaning, but for now, let me just get rid of this mess. Also, side note, I was at the store today and I got Scrub Daddy, and go check out my YouTube story I did about Scrub Daddy if you haven't seen it already. Basically, I'm trying to encourage young women to buy Scrub Daddy because I want to remind them that they are not Scrub Daddy. You can't exfoliate red flags, you can't cleanse dysfunction, you cannot scrub the dirt off of someone who chooses to be in the mess that they're in. And Scrub Daddy is a great reminder so that every time that you think that you can clean someone up because you think they have potential, you can't. Don't be so obsessed with potential. Like, know better for yourself. You come from a royal lineage. So get the Scrub Daddy, and every time you're tempted to reach out to that toxic person, don't. This isn't sponsored, but Scrub Daddy, if you're watching, let's collab. All right, y'all, we're making good timing. It's 1:39 right now, and we have to be at the school this evening by 6. So we're making good time. The bread is done. I'm making some dinner for my husband in case when he gets home he's a little hungry. Some salmon and rice. And I'm also gonna prepare our lunch for tomorrow as well. But really for him, because I have my lunch settled. I know what I'm having, but I want him to have something as well. I'm gonna have like a nice little taco for him. I'm making the flatbread now, and I'm gonna put like some chicken toppings on it and everything. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm not sure if I showed y'all Milo in a while. Milo, say hi. Not the side eye. Milo. I'm sorry, y'all. He be just in his own little world. Oh, now you want to come say hi? Now you want to... Ow! The big baby. You are a big baby. Look at the little baby snout. No, don't leave me. No, please! So the salmon is here. The white rice is cooking. I'm currently making some flatbread. Here's some of the ones that are already done. And basically what I use to make it is... It's 1 cup of flour. It's half a cup of warm water. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then you can add your own seasonings. Like I added rosemary, some parsley, some garlic powder, and some salt as well. Some people use kosher salt. I wish I remembered the kosher salt. I don't have any. While it's frying, I like to sprinkle it on top, the kosher salt, to really bring out that flavor, but I don't have any right now. But yeah, that's how I make mine. And basically when I make it, I double that recipe just so we have enough. And since I want to make some tacos for my Lord tomorrow, I doubled it, and I know it's gonna come out good. Honestly, I wanted to like record the whole process, but it was just so messy and I had stuff everywhere. I couldn't. Maybe I'll do a separate video on how to make that, but it's really simple. Just put it all together, knead it out, and fry it. Ain't nothing to it. Like, y'all, you can literally make anything unleavened. I remember a few years ago I made unleavened pancakes and they were bomb. This year I do want to try making some unleavened pizza. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. I think I tried. Did I try it once? I'm not sure. I think I wanted to, but I didn't. This year, I want to try to make some unleavened pizza, so we'll see how that goes. I have some recipes in mind. Maybe I'll record it if it's not a fail. Oh yeah, she looks pretty. I just coated the pan lightly with a little bit of olive oil. You could use butter too, but tell me that don't look good. Right now, it's 2:30. Still making good timing. By the time I'm done with this, I'm really good. Hey guys, so it's literally hours later. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I just got back from the school. I totally forgot to close out my vlog. Once it hit 5 o'clock, I immediately had to start rushing, preparing to get to the school on time. Y'all, I had so much fun, like congregating. If you don't congregate and you in this truth, what are you doing? Like, it just brings so much vigor and joy to your spirit, being amongst a body of believers and being able to celebrate righteous, high, holy days like the Passover. I had so much fun, y'all. I really enjoyed myself tonight. And yeah, I can't believe it's 2 in the morning. Oh my gosh. I gotta wake up early again to get to the school early tomorrow. So I decided to come home a little early. Yeah, this is actually early. People be at school all night. You guys see the velvet? I wish I could do let me see if I could do an outfit. Y'all probably can't see the whole fit on camera, but I got this nice little velvet dress, my little vest, and my velvet headscarf. Feeling cute or whatever. But yeah, anyways, I'm really tired. I need to get some rest. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Shalom.